everybody on YouTube, how are you today? So, got another video here. It's another quick video. Some of these are going to be short videos, quick and simple, man. Right, so I'm just going to do a conversion, convert a GEO file, a Trumpf Geo file to a RADAN part file, and I'll be good to go. Right, so here I am. I'm in RADAN in my project screen. I'm actually going to come in here and I'm going to hit RADAN Macros, and if I come to my history tree I can see the most recent macros I've used. I'm going to hit tops and then I hit OK, and it's going to be a pop-up load. Right, so now if I right click you can see I can do a tops import. And then I select GEO files or TMT. I'm going to do a GEO file and we'll grab one of these, hit open, and then I'm going to zoom to fit, and there's my GEO file. I always like to come in here and edit my properties because I like my pen color to be that, and now I'm good to go. Right, so if I was to go and add tooling to this guy, I'm all set, ready to go. So that's a GEO convert from Trumpf Geo files to importing, and I'll just save this part and we will call it test 1.5, save. Right, and then I'll go into nesting and we can import that. 5, change material, and we'll give it a 60. Okay, well, done. Right, now we're ready to continue nesting. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments if you want to see anything, and have a wonderful day and enjoy the weekend.